Welcome to another Vahrenberg Implement product informational series video, and you're here with the tractor dude, Doug Vahrenberg. We're going to show you the RhinoAG GS60 grading scraper. This is probably one of the most awesome tools to reclaim that gravel. As you can see here in West Central Missouri, man, we have had a winter like you couldn't believe. You look at the rock here in our lot. We've got ruts, we've got compaction, and this is where a grading scraper is going to shine. It's going to help restore this and bring the gravel back. We made one quick pass last night just to set up, and you can see we brought the gravel back. We've done a couple adjustments, and we're going to show you, teach you, and help you reduce your cost of the gravel needs and with a grading scraper from RhinoAG. Now, one of the features of this thing, if you look, you've got a big heavy 4x4 box front beam there. That's going to help carry those scarifier teeth, give you a long life, a lot of strength in construction. You've got a 2.5 by 2.5 in the back. You have two 1/2 inch by 6 reversible grading scrapers. These are reversible and replaceable, and you can see in here the 60-inch version of this has got 4 adjustable scarifier teeth. They also make this in a 72-inch version, and you can also get into the heavier duty grading scrapers for bigger tractors. This is perfect for a compact tractor. Today we've got it matched up on a 1726E Massey Ferguson. This is a 60-inch version, and you can see it's taking out the tire tracks. And that's what you want to do. This is an excellent tool for those compact, small utility tractors. We're going to jump in here. I'm going to show you how it runs without activating the scarifiers. Basically, all we want to do is bring the gravel up. We don't want to do a lot of tillage. They can be done with the grading scraper. Check out these RhinoAG grading scrapers. Get to your RhinoAG dealer, and you're going to see how awesome it is to restore your gravel driveways, your parking lots, your gravel roads. Bring them back to life. Hey man, we sold one the other day. If you got several guys in the neighborhood, why don't you all just chip together and restore your buy one and restore your roadway there into the neighborhood. When winter's nasty misery hits in the early spring, the grading scraper or heavy rains, this is the tool to bring those gravel roads back to life. Just a quick summary of adjustments. You have 2 holes here, and on most tractors you have multiple holes here. One of the things you want to do is level this where both scrapers work together and work for you. You don't want it tilted too much forward and then you put all the weight on here and the back one's not doing much. The more level it is, you just drop it on the ground and go. But setting up some of the top length is going to vary that. You're going to have to increase or decrease that. That is pretty much all the adjustments besides the scarifier teeth you need to do to get a grader scraper going. Let's go try some different situations over here. We got an area that's a little bit wetter still, and then we've got some hard pack, and we'll throw the scarifiers in the ground and show you what they do. Lower the grading scraper, and we'll take it for a spin here. Look how it's building that rock up. Stopping to percolate up, laying a nice thin layer back again, leveling everything out. That's what you want from your grading. You see how I pulled that material up, brought it up and over, laid a nice level line right down through here. Look how it restored that. That's what it was before, and look at it now. That's why you buy a grading scraper from RhinoAG. Now to adjust the scarifiers are pretty simple. You just pull this cotter pin, pull this pin, just lower it down, and insert the pin back. And now we'll put the scarifiers in the ground to help break up that hard pan and make it easier to scrape and reclaim. Here, put the scarifiers in action and pull more material. That's how a grading scraper works. Fills in that pothole, levels your ground out, and makes it a lot better cut. One of the easiest ways is just back up once you get a lot of gravel, and then you can smooth it back out. Put a lot more of those bigger stones up on top and restore that driveway. Man, it's a mess out here with all these ruts and stuff, but this RhinoAG GS60 grading scraper is going to make it a lot easier to reclaim our parking lot. Look at all this material we're breaking up, we're busting up, we're fluffing up to make it easier so we can get our parking lot back smooth again and get it restored, get the gravel to the top where it does some good. A GS60 grading scraper is going to help you restore your parking lot and reduce your gravel expenses and needs. Get one at your local RhinoAG dealer, or if you're in West Central Missouri, come visit us at Vahrenberg Implement. We're your RhinoAG and Massey Ferguson dealer here in Higginsville, Missouri, at the corner of Business 13 and Missouri 13, just 4 miles north of Interstate 70, just a short trip east of Kansas City, Missouri. Come visit us at Vahrenberg Implement. We're your RhinoAG dealer.